Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The Best Glitter Kits is probably one of the most exciting and versatile art supplies available for children, offering a dazzling way to add sparkle and dimension to any creative project, from simple card making to elaborate 3D sculptures, and it's a fantastic medium for fostering fine motor skills and imaginative expression in young artists. Number 5. ARTISTRO 12 Glitter Paint Pens. Experience stunning, vibrant glitter ink that dries quickly for a sparkling, opaque finish. It provides smooth, even coverage with a shimmer effect that stands out and lasts. These glitter paint pens are perfect for marking glass and painting rocks. They work beautifully on almost any surface, including paper, fabric, stone, plastic, metal, and wood. Create intricate details with the extra fine point tip. Use them for marking, outlining, lettering, and adding labels with ease. They are simple to activate for your creative needs. Achieve amazing effects by painting on both black and white surfaces. These markers are ideal for DIY projects, holiday gifts, and wedding decorations. Conforming to safety standards, these markers are suitable for everyone. Both kids and adults will love using them, making them a fantastic gift for any artist. What we like. These markers offer a stunning, glitter-infused ink that dries quickly for a sparkling finish. If you're looking for versatile pens that work on glass, rocks, fabric, and more, these are a fantastic choice for detailed art projects. What people say. This is a great craft kit for kids. It has a lot of different materials and is very easy to use. My kids love this craft kit. They spend hours creating different projects. The glitter is very fine and shimmery, and it comes with a good variety of colors. Number 4. Purple Ladybug Unicorn Water Bottle Decorating Kit for Girls. Transform a plain water bottle into a dazzling, personalized masterpiece. With sparkly gems, colorful stickers, and fun accessories, you can create a unique statement piece that's all your own. This all-inclusive kit provides everything needed for a magical crafting experience. You'll find a durable water bottle, charming unicorn-themed accessories, and plenty of stickers to bring your vision to life. Delight any unicorn fan with this unique and creative gift. It's not just fun and practical, but also a thoughtful present that encourages imagination and hydration. Enjoy customizing your bottle with waterproof, easy-to-peel stickers that stay put. The leak-proof lid is designed for little hands, and the wide opening makes cleaning a breeze. Crafted with BPA-free, non-toxic materials, this water bottle is designed with your child's safety in mind. It's rigorously tested to meet strict international toy safety standards. This kit promotes creativity while encouraging healthy hydration. Decorate your bottle, attach the wristlet, and take your personalized creation wherever you go. What we like. This kit provides everything needed to decorate a water bottle with a fun unicorn theme. If your child loves unicorns and enjoys hands-on decorating with easy-to-use, durable stickers, this is the perfect creative gift. What people say. This was perfect, allowing her to decorate her water bottle the way she wanted it for school without being overly complicated or taking long time. The kit comes with plenty of choices of stickers, gems, etc. for them to create a personalized and individual bottle. The bottles are well made and well worth the price. The girls had so much fun putting the accessories on the bottles. There are plenty of glitter, charms, decals, gems, etc. so the finished project looks magnificent. Number 3. Original Stationery Glitter Tattoo Kit. Get ready for dazzling fun with this amazing glitter tattoo kit. It's packed with everything you need to create sparkling body art. With 24 fun stencils and 6 vibrant colors, the possibilities are endless. Let your imagination shine through your designs. Designed for ages 3 to 8, this kit is super easy to use. Create beautiful glitter tattoos in minutes, perfect for little hands. Make your next sleepover or birthday party unforgettable. These glitter tattoos are a fantastic party favor and activity. Looking for a unique gift? This 33-piece set provides hours of creative entertainment for any child. This comprehensive set includes colorful glitter pots, brushes, and adhesive. All you need for instant, safe, and beautiful glitter tattoos. What we like. This set offers a fun and temporary way to add sparkle with glitter tattoos. If you're planning a sleepover, birthday party, or just want a fun activity for kids ages 3 to 8, this kit with its variety of stencils is ideal. What people say. This is a great craft kit for kids, with a wide variety of glitter colors and shapes. The glitter is fine and adheres well to most surfaces, making it easy for children to use. The kit includes everything needed for hours of creative fun, such as glue, brushes, and different types of glitter. Number 2. YOFUN Unicorn Sticker and Gem Water Bottle Craft Kit. Unleash your inner artist with this amazing craft kit. It's packed with glitter gems and unicorn stickers, giving you more than enough to decorate your bottle and have plenty left over for other creations. Fostering creativity is easy and fun with this water bottle craft kit. Simply peel and stick the gems to design a truly unique water bottle that reflects your style. Looking for the perfect gift? This craft kit comes in a beautifully designed package, making it an ideal birthday present or a fun activity for children. This insulated mug is made from high-quality, non-toxic stainless steel. It's BPA-free and keeps your drinks perfectly cool or warm, ensuring safety and enjoyment. We are committed to your satisfaction. Enjoy a hassle-free return within 30 days. Give your child the most unique water bottle in the world with confidence. What we like. This craft kit includes an insulated water bottle and a generous amount of unicorn stickers and glitter gems for customization. If you want a durable, safe, and reusable water bottle that kids can personalize extensively, this is a great option. What people say. Each child was able to create their own unique bottle that was also a keepsake from the party. The stickers include a wide variety of unicorn, heart, star, and so many more designs that they can use to create beautiful art. It comes with a lot of stickers. It is a good variety too. If you know a child that loves unicorns and glittery things, this is perfect. The water bottle itself is a sturdy stainless steel material with pink plastic lid. The bottom of the lid has a rubber material to help prevent leaks, and there is a latch to help keep it secured when not in use. Number 1. Crayola All That Glitters Art Case. Get ready to shine with this amazing art case. It's packed with everything you need to create dazzling masterpieces. Inside, you'll find glitter crayons, shimmering glue, sparkling chalk, and even a glitter marker. Plus, a sticker sheet to customize your creations. This art case is designed to keep all your supplies neat and tidy. Take your creativity wherever you go. Transform your drawings and crafts with a touch of glitter. It's the perfect way to make your art truly stand out. Design your very own glitter stickers. Let your imagination run wild and make your crafts uniquely yours. This art kit is safe and non-toxic, making it a fantastic gift for any child aged 5 and up. Hours of creative fun await. What we like. This art case is packed with a variety of glitter art supplies, including crayons, glue, and chalk, all in a portable container. If you're looking for a comprehensive glitter art set that keeps supplies organized and offers multiple ways to create sparkly art, this is a wonderful choice. What people say. Great art set for little artists that love the sparkle. The colors are very cute and vibrant. The kids definitely enjoy the markers and the construction papers. The sparkle glues are great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.